We love sharing good news, so when someone says something great about us and experiences our 5-star service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. We're always thrilled to hear about a happy experience with our company. We work hard to deliver 5-star top-shelf service to each and every individual. It's great to receive positive feedback since it's a fantastic confirmation that our focus on quality really is the best approach. Find out how our thousands of hours of dedication and experience can help you. We would love the opportunity to make you happy too. We want to thank you for checking us out today. You can call us at the number on the screen. We hope to hear from you soon.